Alright guys, we are back in the garage and we're about to do the oil change. Here's what you need. You need 12mm socket and wrench, oil filter wrench, a 4mm hex with a T-handle, or it doesn't matter if you have an Allen key or whatever, a funnel and a drain pan. Alright, first thing you want to do is undress the belly pan using the 4mm hex head. You got 4 screws in total, 2 on each side. One's located right here and one's in the front. And just do the same thing on the other side. And the belly cover just comes off just like that. Cover off. Just take off your fill cap. This should make it easier for the airflow as far as draining it. And the next step is to take the oil drain plug out with a 12mm. Might be a little tight. Just broke it, broke it loose. Gotta be careful because the oil might be hot. Because we just ran the thing. Make sure your drain pan is ready. Alright, after that, just let it drain until it gets on a slow and steady drip. Alright, so once the oil starts slowly dripping, when it gets to the point where it's just dripping slowly, I'd like to take the oil filter out using the oil filter wrench. It's located right here. And just slowly try to break it loose. There's a lot of oil in that filter. Look at that. Alright, continue to let this drain and we'll move on to the next. What I like to do with a brand new filter like this, oil filter, I'd like to take some fresh oil just on the tip of my fingers and just run it around the O-ring, just making sure that thing is well lubricated. Before I install it. So same thing with the oil pad drain plug. I like to keep that clean and make sure that no foreign material goes to the inside of your oil. But Yamaha recommends you to replace your O-ring. I'm gonna reuse mine. Do it at your own risk, because I can't. real quick. And then you should be tightening it. Pretty tight for me. And finally, once you get all those steps done, it's time to fill up the oil. This bike takes 2.22 quarts, including the oil filter. So yeah, let's go. Fill her up.